Sitting by the judge stand for the first time, we have Mr. Lucas. Moving upon the outside, Golden Harry, then followed by American Ingo, Pearls Magic, Barako, Cambro, Uncle Back, while Spider GT is the early trailer and going along. For the first turn, we have Mr. Lucas, Golden Harry in second, moving up by the American Ingo, then followed by Pearls Magic, Barako comes next, Uncle Back, Cambro second last, while Spider GT is still in behind them. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Mr. Lucas now on its favorite position as the pilot, this time by about 3 lengths. Golden Harry in second, moving upon the outside now is Uncle Beck down on the inside. Barako, American Eagle comes next. Pearls Magic moving up now. Cambro and a long way back to Spider GT, who's still in behind them. Last 400 meters, we have Mr. Lucas by about 2 lengths. American Eagle in second, moving upon the outside now. Cambro as they swing for home. We have Mr. Lucas by about 3 lengths. American Eagle in second, moving upon the outside. Cambro with about 100 meters of the race. We have Mr. Lucas. Cambro is on the outside, but it's still Mr. Lucas. And finally, Mr. Lucas, American
Malo pa yung shading.